every piano player needs to know these 3 essential chord patterns, and that's because they're gonna bring your chords to life. So what are they? How do you play them? Let's find out. Here's an essential chord pattern I like to call broken but beautiful. So all I'm doing is playing the top 2 notes of my chord shape at the same time and then rotating down to the bottom note and playing that one by itself. And it's really, really cool because if you kind of spend a little more time on each chord like this, it sounds like a familiar song. It's too late to apologize, but I won't go there. Okay, so how do you do it? Well, so I was playing a second inversion C minor chord. I had G, C, and E flat. And then I just played C and E flat and went down like this. Then I got my new chord shape, which was F minor in first inversion. So I had A flat, C, and F, and I played these 2 together. Then I did E flat in second inversion, and I played E flat and G together and rotated down into the B flat. And then I played a B flat chord in root position and did the exact same thing. So what this really illustrates is it doesn't matter what shape your chord is, what inversion you're in. It sounds really, really good to play the top 2 notes together and then the bottom note alone. So if you put it all together one more time, you've got something really beautiful. So I could do the exact same thing on A minor and C and G and F, and it just sounds really, really, really good. So there you go. Pattern number 1, broken but beautiful. All right, the next pattern I like to call the Adele, because as soon as you hear this, you have to think Adele. And it's so simple. All you have to do is play bottom, middle, top, middle, and then you just keep that going. You could also think of that as 1, 3, 5, 3. So you could play it fast. You could play it slow. Or you could be fast again. You could also apply it to any chord progression, so we could get really moody. But I'm gonna stop there because I wanna stay happy. So there you have it. It's so versatile. You can literally take that progression, play it on a major, feel happy, play it fast, feel happier, or you can take it down. You can play it on a minor chord progression. You can create a really moody sound. It's really up to you. So it's an extremely versatile chord pattern, and it is absolutely essential. All right, our third and final essential chord pattern sounds like this. It's so pretty. And technically, it's known as the Alberti bass, which I think we need a prettier name. And you know I love Amelie if you have watched our videos, so I'll call this one the Amelie. So how do you play it? Well, you're going to play it on any chord shape you like, and we're gonna go bottom, top, middle, top, just like that. And you've got something really beautiful, but you don't have to play it fast. You could go, and that kind of makes me think, hello darkness, my old friend, right? I've come to talk with you again. I want to stay happy. So you can really make this pattern anything you want it to be. And I played it with my left hand, but you could play it with your right hand. It's really up to you. All right, if you want some notation so you can practice these chord patterns along with me, you can access that inside the Pianote members area for free using our 7-day trial. So just click the link below this video and I'll see you in there. All right, so there are your 3 essential chord patterns. So let's just recap them really quickly. I'm gonna play them on G, D minor, F, and C. So if we start with Broken But Beautiful, so pretty. And there's the C. Now, if we did the same thing, but using the Adele, it would sound like this. versions, but they were the same chords, different pattern, completely different sound. And then finally, we have the Amelie. And I'm gonna play it in my left hand, and it will maybe sound like this. Three essential chord patterns you can have so much fun with. So make sure you comment below. Let me know which of these three is your favorite, and happy practice.